everybody, I'm Andrew Mefferd. I'm the editor of Growing for Market magazine, and a couple weeks ago I got an email from the founding editor of Growing for Market, Lynn Basinski, who you might know from her book, The Flower Farmer, still one of the best flower farming books out there. Keep in mind, subscribers always get 20% off all the books we sell on the website. So Lynn emailed me because she found a whole bunch of back issues of Growing for Market dating back potentially to the beginning of the magazine in 1992, which is how you can know that I didn't found it, because I believe I was 15 in 1992, was not founding any magazines. But she asked me if I wanted all these old back issues, and I said yes, because those original ones were not digitized, so the only record that we have of them is on paper. So we are going to do an unboxing. It's like a Growing for Market magazine time machine. All right, let's see what we got. So here's volume 12, number 1, January 2003. So with our magazine, and most magazines for that matter, there's a volume for each year. So this would be the 12th year that Growing for Market was in publication, January 2003. We're all black and white. Gosh, we got an article on the front here by Chris Blanchard. Man, do I miss that guy. I'm genuinely excited. I mean, of course, it's like anybody collecting anything wants the first one, right? So we got the first one. All right, folks, here we are. Growing for Market magazine, volume 1, number 1, January 1992. So, yeah, I was 15 in 1992, and but thank goodness that Lynn was out there starting Growing for Market, because we were subscribers for many years, and we'll always be grateful to Lynn for giving us the opportunity to take it over from her. Not only because it was a great opportunity to have a side business from our farm, but also we love the magazine. It contributed a lot to our success in market farming, and we want somebody to steward it into the future and take care of it. And as far as we're concerned, it might as well be us. And we enter the color era. So here, the first issues of Growing for Market in color started with the January 2009 Bold Leap into the Future. And once again, a lot of the topics are still relevant today. Bottom heat for seed starting, rooftop restaurant gardens, regulating market prices, new cut flower varieties. So once again, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Okay, so that gets us up to time with, got the current issue, June-July 2022 issue of Growing for Market magazine over here, and the very first one from January of 1992 over here. So I'm just so glad that Lynn thought to send these to us, and I hope that you've enjoyed our trip back in GFM time as much as we have.